What's up, Art? How do you track calories? Well, guess what? I know it can seem confusing and it can seem overwhelming, but it's actually pretty dang simple. And I'm gonna walk you through, I'm gonna screenshot some stuff here in a minute, and you'll be able to see exactly what you need to do, what tracking calories even means. How do you figure out how many calories you should be eating? How do you figure out your macros and all that? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Again, now, I do wanna cover a couple things before I show you. So number one, your macros, don't get too over the top with this, okay? We can get so consumed with macros that we forget how to live. Like, for real, it happened to me once. I woke up in this cave and I don't know what the hell happened. But for real, you wanna make sure you're getting 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight if you are gaining mass. If you are trying to lose weight, I would try to keep it more at 0.8 grams per pound of body weight. You still want to make sure you're getting a lot of protein regardless of whether you're losing or gaining, because protein is so helpful on both elements. Now, so if you're getting 1 gram per pound of body weight, that's your protein. Now, for fats, keep your total daily calories, fat content, about 20 to 25%. You don't want to go over that. So, and make sure that's coming from healthy fats, things like olive oil and almonds and cashews and avocados, things of that nature. Then the rest should be healthy carbohydrates. Healthy. Not crap, not Lucky Charms, not Oreos, I'm sorry. Healthy carbohydrates, whole grain rice and oats and whole wheat pasta and whole wheat breads and all those great carbs, because there's amazing carbs out there that fuel our bodies, give us energy, and help us perform better in the gym. All right, I'm gonna shut up now and I'm gonna show you exactly how to figure out how many calories you should be eating. So let's take a look.
All right, so in order to kind of see how to track your calories, there's several things you can do. You can download some apps, which I highly recommend. My Fitness Pal is a great one. You can just download the app. It's free and it allows you to log your food. Also, I like Fitbit. That is another great one. And Lose It is really good too. So those are all good apps. Now, in order to just kind of see where you're at with your calories, how many you should be eating, go to Google, type in calorie calculator. Okay. And you're going to get a lot of different ones that pop up. Honestly, just go with this first one, calorie calculator. I think it's calorie calculator. Okay. You're going to put in your age. You are going to put in male or female. You're going to put in your height, your weight, and how much you exercise a week. Now, with how much you exercise, don't go for unless you're an athlete, you shouldn't be choosing either of these two here, these very active. Most people should be around moderate, exercise 4 to 5 times a week. Let's say for 25-year-old male who is 5'8" and weighs 150 pounds and is working out at a moderate rate. So you're going to click calculate, and here's what you're going to see. So to maintain your weight, this is what you would be eating. For mild weight loss, which you see is a ½ pound a week loss, it's 2152. I do not recommend doing the mild weight loss. And then for most people, this is where you should be at, the 1 pound a week. So 1900. If you're feeling like you can really go hard, then why not start off on the low one? So in order to lose 2 pounds a week, you should be eating 1,402 calories a day. Now, there's some other stuff on here. You really don't need to pay attention too much to it. Now, if we want to track calories for weight gain, basically, calorie calculator for weight gain. And there it is, because I searched it before. What do you know about that? All right, so weight gain calculator, this top one here, this is going to affect, this calculator has a little more options as far as, you know, how fast you want to gain it. So realistically, let's say you want to gain, let's say 20 pounds in 5 months. We're going to calculate, and then it's going to show you what you need to be taking in right here. So to maintain your current weight, 26, 25, and you'll notice this is a little different than the other one. To meet your weight goal, you need to be eating at least 3,086 a day. And to maintain it after you reach it, that's what you are going to be taking in. Now, all these calorie calculators are slightly different, so don't get, worried about that, or there's going to be some variation, and you may have to adjust it slightly. That's okay. It's pretty normal, but this is a great starting point. So I hope this helps. Hope this kind of teaches you how to, and I just noticed there's this creepy guy down here in an ad. All right, besides the point, make sure that you plug this information in because this is going to give you your starting point.
All right, I hope that helps maybe clear up some misinformation that you received in the past, or just hopefully will help you to get started, because it doesn't have to be complicated. It's very, very simple. I hate how overcomplicated everything is made to be in the fitness world. It's like, oh, you gotta have so many different calculations, and it's really not. It's very, very simple when we break it down. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. I would be greatly appreciative. Tell a friend about this. Share the link if you know someone who might find this helpful. And above all, remember, you've got this.